Subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with latest tips and tricks. The weak points of Xiaomi phones was the camera, and they have done a lot to improve the camera performance. In this video, let's take a quick look at the camera. I recommend you to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. One of the best things of Mi A2 is the vertical dual camera setup of 12 megapixel plus 20 megapixel with f-stop 1.7. The front camera has 20 megapixel Sony sensor with f-stop 2.2. This phone will definitely beat Oppo and Vivo smartphones in terms of camera performance. Let's begin with the camera interface. On left, on top, you find a toggle for LED flash, beside which is an HDR toggle. You can turn it on or off, and also there is an auto HDR. And then you find filters, which is usually present in almost every Xiaomi phone. Tap on the three dots and you can access timers, settings, and so on. If you swipe left, you can access video and short video mode. If you swipe right, you can access the portrait mode, square, panorama, and manual video mode. In the manual mode, you can adjust white balance, aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Let's take a look at the camera samples. These are the photos with auto HDR. Now comes the regular images followed by HDR turned on. The photos taken are really good. The details, sharpness, saturation, and color reproduction is really good on this device. The portrait mode also works really well and you get decent bokeh effect in the background. The images taken in the night are also not bad for the price it offers. I am really impressed. Overall, the Mi A2 is the best camera phone under 18,000 rupees. So this was a quick camera review of the Mi A2. Soon I shall make more videos on Mi A2. Till then, stay subscribed and I will catch you guys in the next one.